part of the labyrinth of tunnels underneath all of Alexandria. These were designed as systems for the storage of water, and this particular one is directly underneath the mosque. This is believed to be a holy place where the bodies of religious leaders have long been buried. Many attempts have been made to find Alexander's remains, but so far, none have come even close to success.
The death of Alexander the Great brings to a close a conquest never again equaled by any warrior at any time in history. The statistics alone are staggering. One man leading 40,000 soldiers by foot and horseback, more than 20,000 miles over 12 years. The vast kingdom, which Alexander fought so hard to build over a 12-year period, ultimately becomes divided among more than 20 rulers.
Today, historians, scholars, and soldiers continue to debate the complex character of King Alexander of Macedon. Why do we call him Alexander the Great? Most agree he was the finest military commander that ever lived. He also created a cultural exchange between East and West that became a pivotal point in human history. But he gained his empire at a huge cost of death and destruction. If he had lived, how much further would he have gone? Perhaps we are fortunate that we will never know. At the end of his short life, Alexander was walking a fine line between genius and insanity.
Alexander gives an example to the world of a general, the likes of which we have never seen since. Every major general compares himself to Alexander, and I think most every major general feels that somehow he falls short of Alexander.
Alexander himself was so powerful a figure that during his lifetime, men who afterwards became great kings, marshals, and leaders, while he lived, they were no more than senior officers, lions to his lion tamer. And even after his death, they were still so scared of him that in council meetings, his crown, his scepter, his royal robe presided at the head of the table. He was still there for them, even though he was dead.
Alexander appears to have had not one moment of self-doubt, not one moment of fear. Whether he was a god or not, he certainly had the confidence of one. He had an absolute vision of his own greatness, and in the end, we are forced to agree with him. He is, and will always remain, Alexander the Great.